friends. I'm trying to keep my spirits up, and I know for everybody that feels that art is running through their veins, that art is also a very powerful instrument for healing. It has been for me. It has been always a space that I find myself and enjoying the beautiful nature that surrounds me, that I think it's a blessing from God. And today I'm going to do something very experimental, and I'd like to share it with you. Well, the fun part is that I'm going to be painting on top of another painting, which is one of my very favorite experiments, because I see that there's always a point that the painting that is below will help to the painting that I'm doing at the moment. I see that I can do a very beautiful painting, taking some of what I see over there. I'm going to use my viewfinder for that, and I'll show you. There are many colors. I love the blue, the sky, the clouds. There are many trees that have flowers. I think it's going to be a very nice composition. Before I start, I'm going to make sure that you have enough sunblock and water if you're going to be painting under the sun. It's almost noon here. The palette is ready. I've prepared the colors. You'll find the mixing of the colors in the box below. Here I have my solvent to clean the brushes and my medium. First of all, I have to do my drawing on top of this painting. So I use my viewfinder and I see, okay, this is going to be hard at the beginning, but it's going to be easy when I continue. Now what I'm going to do is start with my easy. Let's go from easy to complicated. I see that green there. It's, I think that's color. At least it's not the color, it's the value of that color. Now go with my favorite part. Let's do some of the clouds. I'm going to use another brush. I'm going to use this brush, which I like very much. White as it is. Then I'll put something on top. See how I already have that light blue, so I don't have to do anything about it. Pointy brush for this. With trees, remember that they're not sticks. They usually have some other forms. We used to do that when we were in kindergarten, but now we have to find that each tree has its own personality. Now, this is funny. See, I have orange and orange. So just continue here. I have a very nice and warm color that comes in here. I have saved a warm color from yesterday's painting. So I'm going to try that. I think, oh, that really matches. So happy. In this part, there's a darker color, so I've made some black with brown and blue, just to have the whole canvas covered. you see that this is a warmer green. Warm always have orangey colors or red, and that will make us believe that this is closer to us. I like the way of that gray interacting with that green, so I might leave some, even though I don't see it like that. I like it in an artistic way. It's a beautiful day, so make sure that I show the lightness and the vibrancy of the colors. And for example, what I see now that I want to do with a dry brush is to start smoothing the edges here, so it will look more cloudy. I continue, and part of this is enjoying. It's not about being perfect, so just enjoy myself and see what happens here. Now I see that beautiful tree there. Has a very beautiful color. Mix my reds and exaggerate, as I've learned from the best teachers I have. They always say, exaggerate, exaggerate. Okay, and I see that this window has some greenish color because these greens are bouncing there, so it's for something approximate, especially looking for that tonal value. Now, because compositionally I need to put some echoes. If I have yellow there, let's have some more yellow here. Even though I don't see it, I'm just going to bend that. So I'll have some echo, some repeating patterns of color. So I'm happy to just practice and give you something to be worried about. That's not a virus that we're all fighting and scared about. So before I finish, I'm gonna sign it. I usually use my fabulous wipeout. Go closer and put my signature. Hope you guys enjoy it and be ready for the next one.